Welcome, from me is a VIVO Y20s, and today I'll show you how to record the screen on this device. So all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me is right up here, record screen. And from here you can start off by holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can change a couple of things like the indication where you touch the screen, which will be recorded with a gray little semi-transparent dot. Sound, picture quality, and record in progress, do not disturb, so you can turn on do not disturb mode while recording. Now this panel will open every time you actually tap on a toggle, so holding it, as you can see, does the same thing as just pressing it. And from here to start recording, simply press on start recording, and as you can see, it immediately starts recording, and there is the dot. Now as also you can see, the indication of where you're pressing the display is a little bit buggy, so this device isn't necessarily the quickest, the fastest phone out there, so while recording it does kind of lag a little bit, and also the indication of where my finger is just really choppy and just bad in general. As you can see, the dot just kind of like skipping around and barely appearing, which you will be able to actually see once I save the recording by tapping on the red square. And from there, let's go into the photo gallery so we can view that recording. So there it is, and you'll now be able to clearly see. If I move it slowly, you can see that it was okay, but the moment I start moving my finger fast, it just, the circle just kind of glitches out almost. But as you can see, this is clearly how you would record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.